Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create polymers in Palworld. Now, polymers are very important ingredients that you need in the late game because guess what? Once you unlock certain things in the late game, you will need a circuit board, and look what you need for a circuit board. You need 2 polymers for 1 circuit board. Now, how do you get polymers? Well, as you can see here, you need 2 high-quality pallet oil. Now, how do you get pallet oil? Very easy. The easiest pal to farm pallet oil is our woolly pops, and woolly pops are, there you go, woolly pops. This cute little thing. It is here in this area, so just farm them. They're very easy to farm. And once you have your pallet oil, make sure that you have unlocked it in your tech tree. So I don't know what level it is. It's near here in the end. Of course, there you go. For you to unlock polymers, you need to be at level 33 and then unlock polymers. So how do you create this? You need one of these. You need a production assembly line. So again, just click on this, click start production, and you can just have, any pal that you have. So let's use our Anubis, and there you go. You have 1 polymer. So that's how you do it. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.